Welcome to this career analysis of the night shift versus the day shift. We explore two worlds with one fundamental choice. What are you truly trading when you choose your shift? Identical jobs lead to different lifestyle realities. Night shifts often come with a premium, typically 15 to 25% extra pay, because companies need incentives to fill these overnight roles. Day shifts, however, align better with natural rhythms and offer greater career visibility, despite having standard base pay rates. The pay gap can be smaller than it appears. Night shifts often provide access to premium overtime slots, hard-to-fill shift premiums, and holiday multipliers. This allows night workers to significantly increase their monthly earnings through strategic overtime, compounding their differential included pay rate. The core tension is higher pay versus higher cost. The night shift offers an immediate financial boost, overtime access, and a quieter environment. The day shift offers natural sleep rhythm, better social connection, and increased career visibility. The fundamental question is, what is your health, sleep, and social life worth? The human body is not built for night work. Circadian disruption leads to suppressed melatonin and cortisol chaos. This mismatch is classified as a, quote, probable carcinogen due to increased risks of cancer and cardiovascular disease. Day workers benefit from natural light exposure, regulating mood and hormones. Sleep debt rapidly accumulates for night workers. Daytime sleep often fails due to light penetration, environmental noise, and household activity. Research shows that working 8 or more night shifts monthly drastically increases the risk of clinical insomnia. Night shift health risks include high cardiovascular disease and metabolic syndrome risks, as well as moderate digestive disruption. The mental and cognitive impact includes elevated accident and chronic cognitive decline risk. The day shift supports long-term health maintenance through natural cycle alignment. Night shift workers benefit from empty roads and available parking, saving 30 to 60 minutes daily on their commute. However, night work creates invisible barriers to social connection, with up to 31% of night workers reporting social isolation compared to 9% of day workers. Certain personality types thrive on the night shift. Natural night owls, introverts, and highly independent workers may find the quieter environment, fewer distractions, and greater autonomy appealing. The industry also matters, with healthcare, security, logistics, manufacturing, and IT operations frequently requiring night shifts. The career path is forked. The night shift offers immediate pay optimization, but it can lead to reduced visibility and fewer promotion pathways. The day shift is optimized for career trajectory through FaceTime, with leadership and better mentorship access, but it only offers base pay. In this complete comparison, the night shift offers advantages in pay, overtime access, and commute efficiency, but suffers in sleep quality, health risks, and family alignment. The day shift provides advantages in sleep, social connection, and career visibility, with its main drawback being the commute and base pay. Every shift pays in different currencies. The night shift pays in dollars today, while the day shift pays in health, relationships, and sustainability tomorrow. The question isn't which shift is better, but what you are willing to sacrifice. Choose knowingly.